Hi guys. Welcome back to my channel. In this video, you will learn how to make your own iOS or iMessage notification green screen for your video. Just like this. Okay, let's get started. First, open Canva, or if you're using Adobe Illustrator, you can create new canvas with size 1280 by 720 pixels. Then, create design like this. Please follow these steps. Add icons as you like. Add text as you like. Then, save it as PNG, and don't forget to check the transparency option. Then open your video editor application. I'm using KineMaster. Open new project. Create blue background. Open your saved image as new layer. Add an animation, choose Enter slide down. Add out animation, choose Exit slide up. Add sound effect, you can download from the link in description. Done. Save it to MP4. I hope this information is useful. Don't forget to support this channel by subscribe.
We are trusted for your life and precious ones. We are number one. We are one. Alliance. We are sure